Hi everyone, I'm Joel from Joel Hood Property and welcome to the award-winning Villa 58 at 114 Peregian Springs Drive. Flanking the golf course, this is simply the best built and designed home I've been in. The attention to detail is evident everywhere you look, and the entry to the property is one you won't forget. This home is simply one of a kind, a 12-month build where the owners comb through the home in meticulous detail to ensure nothing has been missed. Please don't hesitate to contact me if you would like more details on the inclusions and offerings here. I'm Joel Hood and I look forward to meeting with you soon.